and welcome to my channel. Today you are in for a treat as I will be making soap cupcakes using pumpkin puree. Now that I've added the lye water solution to the oils, I will blend until a light trace. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay. Now that the kaolin clay has nicely been incorporated into the soap batter, I'm adding 2 ounces of pumpkin puree. Here I'll be adding the pumpkin patch fragrance oil from New Directions Aromatics, and I'll make sure that it is nicely incorporated into the soap batter. Now that everything is nicely blended, I will be pouring it into a smaller pouring container to make it easier when I'm going to pour it into the cupcake molds. It is now time to add the frosting for the soap cupcakes. I let them rest for about half an hour to allow them to be hard enough to withhold the weight of the frosting. The piping is pretty much all done. I'm adding some mica drizzle, so it's mica mixed with olive oil, to add a little bit of detail to these beautiful little cupcakes. I'm going to be adding a little bit of sprinkles to add a little bit of sweetness to these beauties. Adding some cake toppers. I have a mix of maple leaves and pumpkins. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you did enjoy the soap making video with pumpkin puree. If you do try to make this soap, please don't hesitate to tag me. I'm on Instagram at @ZazzBodyCare. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of these, and until next time, take care.